everyone, welcome to DevRobot DFTV Simple X Simple Play. Today I'll share you guys the way to use Math module. In software, we still choose uPyCraft at here. In hardware, we choose FireBeetle ESP32 mainboard again. Connect ESP32 to the computer. Let's begin. Some basic math functions using floating numbers are provided in the math. This video explains some of the most common functions. Other functions can be checked on the uPyCraft Gitboot document. First, import the math. Let's first look at the constants. Math.e, base of natural logarithms, e equals to 2.718282. Math.pow, ratio of circumference to diameter. Pi equals to 3.141593. Next, I will introduce the functions. Squared is used to calculate the square root. Try calculating the square root of 9. The result is 3. MicroPython is used to calculate x, y power. Try calculating the third power of 2. The result is 8. Well, XSP is used to calculate x power. The second power of a is 7.389 blah blah. Calculate the logarithm of x in base e. Calculate logarithm of 10. Radians x can convert angle to radians. Convert 30 degrees to radians. The result is 1.0472, which is 3 or pi. Sine x is sine function. Math sine minus radius 30 and 90. Calculate the value of sine 90 degree. Cosine x means cosine function. Math point cosine math radians 60. Calculate the value of cosine 60 degree. Fabs x calculates the absolute value of x. That's all. Thanks for your attention. Please visit DevRobot forum for any queries.